Fernando David here, and on this Airbnb tip, I want to talk about mattress protectors. It's a subject that not many people talk about, but it's a subject that I think is extremely important, especially if you are an Airbnb host. You really need to have a nice, high-quality mattress protector for two reasons, right? The first one is exactly what the name means, and it will protect your investment. If you don't know, one of the biggest issues that mattresses have is that it absorbs moisture. When we sleep, we lose about a half a liter of fluids during our sleep, and those fluids go right into your mattress. So a nice high quality mattress protector will protect your investment. And then number two, which I think is really more important, a nice high quality mattress protector is going to protect you from bed bugs. If you've been in this business for a while, I'm sure you probably already experienced or had a guest claim that you had bed bugs. It is it's a serious issue, so you want to make sure that you do not get bed bugs. Make sure that you have a nice, high-quality mattress protector to protect that mattress from ever getting bed bugs in the first place. Hope this tip helps. If it does, please hit the like button, share, follow us on Instagram. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.